Hello everyone, Hare Krishna. So in this video I'm going to share that from where I studied group 2. This video is very important for the students as obviously everybody struggle in finding a good teacher for the subject. So this is exactly the video you are searching for. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. And प्लीज़ लास्ट तक रुकना क्योंकि लास्ट में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक टिप जिससे आप थोड़ा सस्ते में पढ़ सकते हो और या दिस हेल्प्स मी and I hope this also helps you in studying in a less budget. Obviously we should save money. So the first paper that we give is the paper 9, that is OM/SM. So we'll just break it into OM and SM. The first part, OM, operational management. I actually studied from two teachers. Like first Vaibhav Inani. Detail I study OM from him, and then for the revision वाला part I studied from Ranjan Pariwal sir में एक सर पढ़ाते हैं, that is CA मयंक सराफ. Yes, तो मैंने उनसे रिवीजन किया था, उन्हीं के सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने लगाए थे प्रॉपर OM में. नाउ फॉर दिस SM strategic management वाला part I studied from Mayank Saraf only. Yes, I studied from Mayank Saraf as I'm not extremely good in the theory part, and I also don't like the process as well, the rectification process. So I just quickly go through the Mayank Saraf videos, all the his one shot videos is very nice. I studied SM from those videos only, and yeah, it did really help me. So yeah, you for SM you can completely rely on the Mayank Saraf sir. Very good. Now for the second, that is corporate accounting and auditing. So for the corporate accounting, I studied from the Bishnu Kedia sir. उनकी एक्चुअली एक प्लेलिस्ट बन रखी है कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग. इट इज़ वेरी फेमस प्लेलिस्ट. तुम उसी को ही पढ़ के तुम पास हो सकते हो, मतलब आराम से पास हो जाओगे अगर तुमने उसको अच्छे से तुमने सॉल्व वगैरह कर लिया. और अभी सर ने रिसेंटली भी मैंने देखे थे वीडियोस डाले थे सर ने, तो तुम सारे विष्णु केडिया सर के कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग का प्रॉपर अच्छे से सॉल्व करके जाओ. प्लेलिस्ट के हर एक क्वेश्चन कर लो, और अगर तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा और सॉल्व करना है तो स्टडी मटेरियल करो. नाउ फॉर द ऑडिटिंग I actually studied from the Darshan Thoka sir from Unique Academy again. He's the best. He's the best law teacher. He's best theory teacher I have ever studied from. So yeah, you can completely rely on Darshan Thoka sir for the auditing. If you want free lectures, you can see the Vishnu Kedia sir lectures as well. They are also extremely very helpful. But yeah, personally I studied from the Darshan Thoka sir, so you can also refer to him. And Vishnu Kedia sir, best. Okay, now for the paper 11 we have the financial management and business data analytics. For FM, just completely rely on the Ranjan Periwal sir playlist that he has made brilliantly. Like solve each and every question he has solved in the one shot marathon, something like that. For FM, that is the best playlist on the YouTube. You can completely just blindly follow that, just go for it. Okay, now for management accounting, the most you can say the most difficult subject in the group 2. It is not difficult honestly, but it is relatively difficult paper in the group 2. Like all the papers is very easy in the group 2 comparatively from the group 1. The management accounting is the only paper everybody say that it is comparatively much harder, but I won't say it is difficult if you have a good concepts in the cost accounting in the group 1. So you can easily pass in this subject as well. Okay, because it has the same three topics: standard, marginal, budget. These three topics are completely copy paste from the group 1. So so obviously syllabus you have already studied the most important three chapters, and yes, most important question also come from these three chapters. So obviously you cannot ignore these three chapters even in the group 1. These are the basic fundamental topics of the costing. You should not ignore it. You should not just skip this part. No, not at all. So for the management accounting, I also studied from the two teachers. First is the Pawan Sharma from the Unique Academy. Again, he is one of the best costing teachers or management accounting teachers you can find on the YouTube. He has a good conceptual clarity, very nice. And second is Ranjan Parimal sir. He's also very nice. For me, I actually studied detail study lecture by lecture. I studied from the Pawan Sharma sir from Unique Academy, and for the revisions, I switched to the Ranjan Parimal sir because uh, Ranjan Parimal sir's one shot videos are so comprehensive. Matlab, it has all the information you need for the exam. Every he touch every important topic that can come, that have already come and that can come in the future as well. So his revision lecture are extremely comprehensive for the group 1 as well. um, Mayank sir video, Ranjan Pariwal classes, they have comprehensive one shot videos. Just for the revision, they are the best to refer to. So yeah. So I'll just quickly summarize what I'm speaking. For OMSM, Vaibhav Inani from Unique Academy and CA Mayank sir, Saraf. Okay. Now for the corporate accounting, Vishnu Kedia sir, and auditing, Darshan sir or Vishnu Kedia sir, either of these two. Now for FM, Ranjan Parifal sir playlist best. Now for the management accounting, Pawan Sharma sir and Ranjan Pariwal for the revision lectures. So yeah, these are the teachers I refer to, and I scored pretty much very good in the group 2 as well. I'll share my results. I think I scored 267 or something. I'll share the photo. I'll share the photo here. So yeah, these are my absolute journey. And yeah, you must be thinking that what about the group 1 and you share the group 2. um, Actually, already you guys know that I have my regular college. I have the attendance to do. So for the um, so I actually appeared group 2 first in the CMA, and then group 1 I gave group 2 in December 2025 and group 1 in June 2026, just recently. Yes. And on the 5th of August I have the result. Hopefully it will be the positive for the group 1. I'll share my result video if I'll shoot. So yeah, so group 2 I passed, and group 1 hopefully I'll pass also. So yeah, that is my short journey till now here. And yeah, if you have any question, you're free to ask in the comment section. Yeah, I always reply. Now for the budget friendly tip, what I personally follow is I actually purchased all the 8 subject from One Academy. uh, the cost is obviously comparatively less, um, because if you purchase subject wise from the teachers, like you purchase a certain subject from a famous teacher, like for the corporate accounting you purchase lectures from the Vishnu Kedia sir, obviously it is going to cost more for each and every 8 subject. For me, actually, it cost me around 25k. You can go for any academy. What I personally purchase is from Unique Academy. For me, they have actually a good team, and most of the subject I study from the Unique Academy only, or I have solved their questions, and I have gained the conceptual clarity by myself or from the um, YouTube one shot lectures, like only. So you can also follow this step, and yes, this actually saves a lot of money, and also your passing ability also increases because you have the detailed lectures with you. You're solving with the teachers, and yes, you're also self practicing. Self study is must, even if you have purchased the lectures. Never completely rely on any academy, any coaching, any YouTube lecture. Always self study, because only you know your problems, your shortcomings, not the other side. Okay. So for personally, I purchased from the Unique Academy, and it cost me around 25 to 27K around only, including all the books that I've purchased and all the soft copies. Yeah. So you can also follow this tip. I'm not promoting any academy, any teacher, but yeah, it is just I'm sharing my experience only. So yeah, I hope this video helps you, and if it did, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.